Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and I wanted to introduce you to the Proven Winners family of barberry that we have here. It's called the Sunjoy Series, and we have Sunjoy Neo, we have Sunjoy Sequins, and we have Sunjoy Orange Pillar. This one is absolutely beautiful. You can still see the green, kind of lime green color underneath. This one's going to get about 3 to 4 foot tall, and it's only going to be about 2 feet wide. It makes a real interesting color to your garden. Sunjoy Neo is this one. This one is only about 2.5 feet. This has been the most popular one that we have had. Every time they come in, they go right out the door. So if you want one of these, you better come pick it up. Same thing with this one. It's about 2.5 feet. Just bright color, and it gets redder the closer we get to fall. And this one is really cool. This one's called Sunjoy Sequins, and it starts out in the spring, completely green leaves, and then as you can tell now how it's all starting to change to variegated, and then as we start getting into fall, it actually gets pink in it. So it's got a beautiful, almost kind of looks like a snow and summer jasmine color. And they all are just carefree, easy plants, don't require a lot of water. Deer do not like them. They are barberry, so they do have barberry little pokers on them, but they don't seem as bad as like the old barberry that you think about. They are deciduous, so they do lose their leaves, but it only seems like for a very short period of time. They don't really lose their leaves until maybe December, and they're already putting their leaves back on end of February, 1st of March. So anyway, this is a fantastic plant to add to your landscape, to your garden, something for a bright pop of color. So come on down before I am out of barberry.